sorry about telling you you shouldn't put makeup on.
It's not like you shouldn't put makeup on.
If you're gonna make people feel really awkward and uncomfortable.
No, I'm telling him that. Not you. Where you told her.